freeze an egg. You can
Hen?
freeze an egg, but if you do it, it will have the same problem.
Good
You break
boy,
down the
good
protein
boy,
structure. So it's going to
good
be good for
boy.
a scrambled egg. Ain't going to be any good to make a patty.
Can't teach an old dog a new trick. Under these circumstances, we need to start gardening. We're gonna give this guy some love. We're going to transfer you to a very nice pot. Look at that. Hopefully they're going to grow and grow and grow.
That's all. Once you try this.
Look at this crazy person.
Bought this membership on this app for these healthy meals. Is one of them.
Sorry. That's my pizza. That's TJ's. It looks good.
Good luck, my pizza.
Barbecues of lots of friends or even family, extended family coming together to celebrate one-year-old birthday parties and all these sorts of things. We can't do those things now. These will be significant sacrifices, I know.
I am cooking all the leftover vegetables. So we make a video of us quarantine every day.
Hi guys, quarantine day 105.
Don't lie. Look at these two dogs. Hello, Whoopi, Brian.
So from midnight tonight is shut down in Australia. Public swimming pools, indoor entertainment centres, real estate auctions can't be held or open houses, and in-store beauty treatments will all be closed down. There should be no gatherings of more than 10 people. Australians will be banned from travelling overseas. Globally now, over 400,000 COVID-19 cases have been confirmed. The Tokyo Olympics have been formally postponed for a year.
Want some ice cream? Oh, so cute. Come on. Michael's mom gave us a whole garden to grow. They got so excited when I asked them for plants. Oh, the old goodie come out for quarantine.
In Australia, there are now more than 2,600 confirmed cases of COVID-19. Prince Charles, the 71-year-old heir to the British throne, has tested positive for coronavirus.
Okay, today we are doing a video of gardening. It's cold. I have 3 animals with me today. Look. My gloves on. Let's do it. Ow! And look at this cat. She wants to hang out with me but scratch me. Brian, don't be camera shy. Brian loves to be on this blanket. Good night, Roma. Building up the pot. Brian, Bicky. Brian, can you smell that? Brian, can you smell that? Yum. Wolfie! Smell the chicken, Wolfie.
He's so photogenic. I'm making a pumpkin and ricotta tart, and the pumpkin and ricotta in there, and the tart's in the oven right at the moment that I need to check on because it may be burning. It seems to be ready.
Woohoo!
Now I would like to take a photo.
Is there bread?
Fuck, this is so good.
Really, really good and suddenly become.
It's so good.
Once more testing is in place, and whether or not the administration is prepared for that, hospitals which have been
You are just so cute.
What are we doing, Wolfie?
Okay, just because I don't want to touch my hair, so braid it, then I just don't touch my hair.
Wolfie said. I've got 100 million things to do at the moment.
This is a very important thing here.
I can flat, I just can't braid.
Why don't you learn to braid?
Where's your hair tie? You're scaring him. Why are you so scared of everything, Wolfie? It's because you were raised by girls.
My parents told their friends to drop off all the veggie from their garden to me. It's fresh harvest. All my favorite vegetables. Michael has been scaring me with all these virus facts. So I really have to have a glass of wine to calm myself down. And then keep cooking. Dinner's ready!
How serious this is
How's
and what
dinner?
we should be doing.
It is as serious as a matter of life and death.
Brian!
My advice,
Do you like my dinner?
sooner
Brian! Movie! Save the environment.
I'm not a fucking prop for YouTube. If you want me to do it again, pay me. Times are tough.
Other government services that was quickly overwhelmed. And so we're learning from that. And
Don't post me doing my feed. I'm a man of the community.
Able to be distributed even more effectively.
I need to pay you too?
It
No.
isn't a matter of whether more income support is needed.
Bored in the house, yeah, bored in the house, yeah, bored in the house, yeah, bored in the house.
Arak
arak.
and water, and the top is just arak.
Mix it. Eh, so you drink the arak then?
Yep.
Oh, 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 oh. Boy in the house, yeah. Boy in the house, yeah. Boy in the house, yeah.
You know what you do? You put that fucking camera in my face 24/7. We're in lockdown.
You know this is going on YouTube for the whole world to have access to.
Yeah. I'll flag the video.
I do really need a nose job after saying that.
I'm just don't have enough
A nose
pesto.
job, bit of a boob job, bit of an every job.
I think you need a brain job.
I need a nose and a boob job.
Pasta, that would taste so good in my life.
Stay the fuck at home. Stay the fuck at home.